Yo guys, testing. This is me, Ashraf Senpai. It's been a while. I didn't post any content on my YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna review a bootleg Yai Sakura Figma from it's a third-party one. It doesn't have any brand. So, and before we start, there's one video I'm gonna post in YouTube soon. It's a video about I'm celebrating my 200 subscriber in this channel. Yeah, I had already recorded but not start editing yet. So first of all, intro. So there we go. This is the package or the parcel. So let's open it. What the heck, like a black pen right there. So I'm gonna use my knife. Let's open it. And there you go guys, the Yai Sakura, the bootleg Yai Sakura Figma. So let's open it. Oh shit. And hope so it's the item inside are complete. So this is the first layer of the plastic. Oh damn, look at this guys. It's Yai Sakura. I hope her face can be clearly see in my video. For the articulation on her hand, it only can do this. It's kinda sad. I don't know why. For her hand, can do this. And 360 as well. For her head, it only can spin her face like this and cannot do 360. Okay, so this is her face. And this is her hair detail. For me, for the price, it's kinda great to have. Even it's bootleg. Look at those quality. And the detail on her leg or her thigh, Sakura. And let's try to see this figurine articulation. So this is the hand, can go right there like that, and it can also do 360. Yeah, for her leg. This is not only the max, it can be split. And for the leg, this is the max. For her ankle, I don't know what it's called, but it can really, what the heck. This is her feet, and there's a lot more accessories in this box. Like here, this is her her ears, another part of her face, and the Figma stain base here as usual, and lot more hand part and others accessories. So for the second layer, there are this kind of blade effect, I guess. And there's one, two, yeah, there's two katana or samurai here that can be equipped. And two, like the katana holder here. And this thing to be equipped on the stand base. To change her face, just pull off her hair from her face and take off her face and change it whatever face you like. For example, I take this like her normal face and put it back and put her hair back too. That's it. It's easy. Ears and put on her hair. And just like that. It's easy. And so let's put her accessories. And so guys, that's it for the review today for the bootleg Yai Sakura Figma. I guess that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching my video guys. I appreciate it.